want no country where they work. Now when you visit their prison, you go no say country they work. Yes. Have you seen how they are treating the prisoners? Look at how they are dressed. So clean. Look at the bus taking them to where they are supposed to work. Look at how they are serving them food. And not just that, the most interesting part of it is that those prisoners are learning skills. Not just skills, but they are learning a good skills. That when they come out from that prison tomorrow, they will have something to do for themselves.
Obusiafo, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, this month I am still in the mood of rocking the Ghanaian jersey. Yes, from yellow now to white. Who knows the color I'm gonna rock next? So on today's video, we're gonna be checking out a video of a Nigerian lady who was shocked. Yes, that's a normal thing now for Nigerians to be shocked whenever they visit Ghana. And they are shocked because all these things they are carrying their korokoro eyes they see. You know, they happen for Nigeria. That's the reason why whenever they come, they feel cheated. Yes, I would say that they feel cheated because the giant of Africa should have all these things provided, but boom, that very country they call small is ahead of them. And it's so sad that people don't want to learn even from the African countries that are already, African countries that are already ahead of them. Well, guys, without wasting much of your time, let's take a look at the video. Yes, the video of this very Nigerian lady who was shocked seeing the luxurious and peaceful lifestyle prisoners are living in Ghana. But before we watch, I would love to say a very big thank you to my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for always clicking in. And if you're new here, my name is Delphina. I'm super happy to have you here. Please don't make it a last by subscribing to the channel, like this video and share the video. Also do want to press the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop another one. Let's watch.
You want no country where they work. Now when you visit their prison, you go no say country they work. Yes. Have you seen how they are treating the prisoners? Look at how they are dressed. So clean. Look at the bus taking them to where they are supposed to work. Look at how they are serving them food. And not just that, the most interesting part of it is that those prisoners are learning skills. Not just skills, but they are learning a good skills. That when they come out from that prison tomorrow, they will have something to do for themselves.
It is time to wake up. Officers move through the blocks with cell keys, opening selected cells. Assigned inmates step out under escort to begin early morning duties, sweeping the compound, cleaning the main gate area, cleaning offices, aiding the reception, and preparing breakfast in the kitchen. Those scheduled for court or hospital also arise early to prepare. In some facilities, inmates in isolation or under special confinement bath at 5:20 a.m. before the general cells are opened. Before 5:30 a.m., early shift officers report. Each officer is searched before entering the yard to ensure he is not carrying any contrabands. Parade is then formed and a short prayer is said. Instructions are given.
Criminal High Court 2, Accra. Sergeant Halibu Sadiq. Sergeant Maubeka was there.
Then comes the first important responsibility of the day, counting inmates.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Only when numbers are confirmed does the night shift officially hand over. At 6 a.m., the bells ring 6 times. Inmates take their bath, clean their assigned areas, and do their exercise. By 6:20 a.m., breakfast is ready.
Good morning, Chief. Breakfast, oats, sugar with milk is ready to be served to 129 inmates, including 3 condemned. May I have your permission to carry on?
portions are sent to the chief officer in charge of administration, the gates, and the reception office for tasting and quality check. At 6:55 a.m., another bell sounds. Inmates return to their cells for counting before the main duty officers enter. Main duty officers report before 7 a.m., undergo search and form parade. At 7:30 a.m., assignments are issued. On Mondays, inspection parade is conducted. Beds are checked, feeding pans and cups inspected, and personal hygiene is assessed. At 8:10 a.m., inmates assigned to outside duties assemble at the chief officer in charge of administration's office. Each inmate mentions his name and sentence. They proceed to the gates for search. Their tools are searched and names are rechecked. Assignments include farm work, poultry, aquaculture, and rabbitry. Searches are repeated before departure and upon return. Beyond the watchtowers, the land becomes a classroom. Agriculture is not only about food production, it is rehabilitation in practice. Inside the poultry section, discipline meets routine.
I work at the outside labor and I'm at the poultry farm. So when we come, we clean the drinking cans, we give them water, we feed them, we rake their bushes, then we pick the eggs, we sweep the compound, then we weed when there is weeding. When it ceases work, 11:30, our officer sends us back into the yard. When it's 4 o'clock, the officer will take me back here to come and work, to feed them and give them water. So I come here twice in a day. Then me being here, taking care of chicks has also given me another thing. To do, because when I go out and I want to do poultry farm, I know that I've learned, I know how to feed them, I know how they give them injection, the medicines that they give it to them, I know all these kind of things. So if I want to do it, I can do it and do it very well. It has given me something that if I go outside, I will not go and do what I went to do that brought me here, but I have something different to do.
Rehabilitation extends beyond labor. The Ghana Prison Service also provides basic and secondary education, opportunities for tertiary studies, and vocational and technical training, where inmates sit for national examinations and technical certifications, including NDTI and CTVET qualifications.
It has really helped me in so many ways, because when I came here, what I'm doing, I don't even know how to do it. But now, I can start something, I can sew something and finish it. As you can see, I'm doing my finishing here. So I can start sewing and doing something. It will help me in my future, that I can go and start my own business outside. And besides, I've done some things. I have a Bachelor of Commerce Management, and I've learned a bit of fascinator, and I've learned a bit of, and now I'm learning how to do decoration.
Inmates scheduled for court are handcuffed. Warrants and hospital folders are verified. Escort officers ensure safe transfer and return of inmates. Upon return, inmates and tools are searched again before re-entry into the yard.
I had a diagnostic center in Sound Medium Security Prison. I had the Oba Prison. One called prison that I don't fire. Near Shell Prison Church. Said there will be welfare and some. And I say challenges, maybe I'll be challenging problems. I come near the until 6 years and a half. Who be did 3 weeks. I had the main prison. Who be did 3 weeks and 1 month. Near no one church. And Sana had to mainstream. No town center. Said the bear, Opa, who be who can pass over far and evil.
What to say? No process. I have a call then I do buy.
Okofa obi moto. Okowe obi moto. Stay.
Okofa obi moto. Ewa he.
Ewa afam place don't go grow.
Then I'm Okofa obi moto.
Mazam pacho na me ma meleti. Nti me ma me gitu kwan kakra. nti maame so me de me free ana me call town na me de me ko boys for station nti na road station so me nya ba bi anko me ne boys na ewo ho no nti du ba bi na boys no omo so sa na me de ko boys no omo ya conform wiawia boys no ya conform wiawia amanfo ne ma na me so ni nti me ne omo sa asese ya na nti no me de omo kire me style obi e parking motor na so obi de na ade to a obekwa akofa nti me ne boys ne nam no omo kire me style we will be a day until last time we parked the motor to home and I'm here. My say na boys the chair me there ma who stop me to me there go akọ for motor ti me ko na onipa nada ti me ko na me kokọ here there because parking motor no miss parking no onipa na there free dan mobile to who say miss parking motor na ko like obi so me say oji motor na free me say na me so second share me nti o so mu na me yi second na me de second ni twa no tema o yede dem amanfo eba ho ntimi ese bedwane bibia me ko hyesa na obi so ho no ana onipa no omusom amucheme na omde me ko police station
na omde ko nipa police station
omde me ko dungu ko police station
nti efi police station na omde ko nipa no
efi yedi kan ko police station wono ana omusom omde me ko court nti e ko court no judge ne se ho no de we a case wetie no ono wontimi endi asem no nti age se edi asem ho ye court ketwa nti age se edi asem no ba and price so ho na court kese ho se ho no so a village nti age se ba and price so.
At 11:30 a.m., lunch is served after another count. Food is also reserved for inmates on outside duty. At 4 p.m., supper arrangements begin. A bell signals bathing in preparation for lockup. Late duty officers take over from early shift officers at 1:30 p.m. Main duty officers close at 4 p.m. At 5 p.m., the final evening bell rings for inmates to enter their cells. By 5:30 p.m., cell doors are locked and secured. At 7:30 p.m., ninth duty officers report and take over. In some female facilities, cells and inmates are searched before final lockup. Mothers with babies are housed separately, and arrangements are made with relatives or social welfare when necessary. Religious freedom is respected. Christian and Muslim groups regularly visit to worship and offer spiritual guidance. Inmates are also allowed visits, approved phone calls, and legal consultations. From the first bell at dawn to the final.
I know freedom is everything. No one is happy to be in a prison. Yes, no one is happy. But in terms of this Ghana own, oh Charlie, Ghana they try. Has gone so high. Yes, Ghanaians, you people are so blessed. You don't know what you people have. You guys are so blessed. Ghanaians are so blessed. And I'm so blessed to be in this land, to be in this country, Ghana.
You know, one thing I love about Ghana and Ghanaians is the fact that Ghanaians themselves don't have to come out and be proving points, like proving themselves right about some kind of things. You know, people who are, you know, bad-mouthing Ghana are the same people coming to Ghana, seeing things and trying to advise their fellow country people to shift from that, like deviate from that kind of mindset and, you know, adjust themselves to knowing the reality of life. And I love this. I love this. I love it so much. Look at how prisoners are living in Ghana now. Look at how they are living in Ghana. I'm not saying other countries are not having this kind of treatment though. No. Hey, I'm not saying that though. I'm not saying that, but obviously and my family and friends, I'm just telling you guys what is happening here in Ghana. I see. Yes, this is Ghana. If I go to other African countries or other countries, I'm going to come out here and talk about their prison too. But for now, I only know about my country, Nigeria, and likewise Ghana. That's the reason why I'm sharing my experience, you know. Yes, so I hope you all enjoy the video. If you have any objection, you can kindly drop it in the comment section, and please don't come here and be rude. No, don't come here and be rude, guys. Please, I want to apologize for, you know, disappearing for days. You guys, for those of you that reach out Thank you so much. I really appreciate. I want to tell you guys, say, Delphina Day, nothing happened to me. Hey, nothing happened to me. I'm fine. I'm very fine now. Some things happened though, but I'm okay. I'm okay. And if you want to know more about what happened, then you can send me a message on Instagram at, is it Delyash_95. Is that it? I'm not sure, but hopefully I'm going to put it on here. You guys can reach out to me on my Instagram. Thank you so much, guys, for all the support, all your messages. Yes, I've seen your messages. I've seen, I never knew that people really love and care about me like that too. Then the feelings is mutual. I appreciate you all. So what I want from you is to share my video. Whenever you come across my video, make sure you watch from beginning to the end, comment, like, comment, and share it to your loved ones. Thank you so much. I appreciate and I love you always. Bye-bye.